Hey guys, let me show you how to make your press-on nails last up to 3 weeks. So the secret is in your nail prep. So you need to make sure you cut your nails, you file it, it's all even, there's no gaps or anything on your nails. You need to file it, prep it properly, and then you need a dehydrator. So you need to pick out the nails first, dehydrate your nails with this dehydrator. This just makes sure that there's no oil or anything that makes the nail not stick on properly. And once you're done with both fingers, you take this glue. This is my holy grail. This glue makes shit last, honestly. So you put that in, put one dot on your nail, one dot on the fake nails, and then you press that on, hold it for a few seconds, let it dry on, and it stays on. Once it's all fixed on, you let it cure for like 50 seconds, and then with the white nail polish, I just do my own design because I was going for a French tip this time around. I just did that, put that back in, going with a top coat, and voila. Let me tell you guys, I love this. I love doing my nails. As a girl, you should be doing your nails.